Alright, March walkthrough. Start here at my tie-dye pansy. Got some time behind it, survived the winter. All of these plants were planted in the fall. Parsnips are extremely happy. Carrots pretty happy. Got some Brussels growing to seed. Looking good. Back here I have a bunch of wildflower seeds. So these are Pacific Northwest wildflower seeds. And I definitely have some poppies coming out of it. Looks like some bachelor buttons. We'll see what else pops out. This is the winter lettuce from Baker Creek, and it is extremely tasty, and it is very good at surviving cold temperatures. Some poppies that I transplanted here. And we got some spinach and Brussels sprouts growing. Here we got my seedlings, peppers, eggplants, tomatoes. Got a lot more inside, but those ones I'm hardening off right now. Here's my currant. My blackberry, horehound, and some more violets. More poppies that I transplanted. Poppies, Salvia, Yarrow, all recent transplants. Hopefully we'll grow. Hopefully this time next month we'll have much bigger plants to look at. Here's some penstemon. This will all flower this year. Basil and sage. Ooh, sweet peas. These should be huge later. Not a lot coming up yet, but I was able to clean it up. You can see that I have a lot of poppies, a lot of salvia planted, a lot of pansies coming up. Yarrow, horehound, kale that's finally going to seed, more lettuce, more sweet pea, lavender that's unfortunately dead, I think. He's risen. He has risen. Alright. Here, all my winter sowing project. You can see that it's quite successful. These poppies here are ready to get out, ready to get transplanted. And we got some garlic. This is hardneck garlic, so this will have scapes here pretty soon. That's not garlic, that's shallot. More garlic. This is the soft neck garlic, so this won't scape. More of that winter lettuce, and it is just so good. It's not doing as well in this spot as it is in the other parts of the garden, but it is just such a good, tasty lettuce. Onions. We're planting these onions here. The really interesting part. These are all poppies. They came from the grocery store. Poppy seeds in the baking aisle. I just threw them out here to see if they germinate. They germinated quite well. More salvia, more poppies. Almost done with this area. Ready to plant in here. I think I'm gonna put tomatoes and eggplants this year. It was all peppers last year. Alright, here's more of that winter lettuce. It is just so good right here. Doing so well. Leaf. It's just really top-notch leaf now. Good lettuce. Got some seedlings here, radishes, spinach, sugar pea. Carrots starting to germinate. Beets starting to germinate. Slowly but surely. Nothing in the onion mound this year so far. Got some chamomile popping up. Maybe I'll put more chamomile out here. Maybe it'll just be curves and flowers this year. Planted some new blueberries. Brand new. Poppies coming up. Lavender's coming up. It smells so good. These are Icelandic poppies, so hopefully these poppies, I believe they're going to be perennials. They'll be here forever. And these are California poppies, which are annuals, but will also be here forever. Was really good from last year. That overwintered so well. So this is lance leaf coreopsis, coleopsis. It's native, but it's very weedy. I did not plant these here. These were planted on the other side of the yard and kind of blew in here. I think I'll probably leave it. Is a nice clumpy flower that makes butterflies happy. There's a yarrow. Very happy yarrow. As happy as you can be. Hi, bud. Alright. This is a new addition to the yard. This is a honeysuckle. Hopefully I'll train it up this tree here. Lavender. It's doing okay. Sweet peas. They look a little shocked, but I think they'll bounce back. I think these guys will make it. Hopefully they'll make it. Those ones look good. Those ones look okay. These ones look okay. I think they'll make it. Another dead lavender. I just think it's dead. I don't think that's alive. I think that's dead. sage. It's alive. Everything's coming up. Everything is starting to come up. Oh, those are